Atiku Abubakar surrogate seeks FBI document on President Bola Tinubu in ongoing political battle. In a dramatic development in the ongoing political landscape of Nigeria, Aaron Greenspan, a surrogate of former Nigerian Vice President Atiku Abubakar, filed an emergency motion on Friday at the District Court for the District of Columbia in Washington, D.C. Greenspan is urgently seeking the release of documents related to President Bola Tinubu by the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI). Greenspan, known for his association with Atiku and his website plainsight.org, which tracks legal cases against major U.S. corporations, is spearheading this move. He is joined by David Hundeyin, another supporter of Atiku's political agenda. Peter Obi, a member of the Labour Party, also hopes to benefit from the information believed to be released by the FBI. It is essential to note that the hearing notice served on Obi by Nigeria Supreme Court is a result of Greenspan's emergency motion filed on Friday. Meanwhile, this information will not only benefit Peter Obi and Atiku, it will help other Nigerians to know much more about whom they call their president and help them understand the need to take the right steps now if they don't want to suffer in future and also have their children suffer in few years to come. Because having the wrong person with hundreds of allegations is a total dent on the nation and a problem to a better future for the country. There is more to let you know in this package. Stay with us. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you latest stories. Remember to like, comment and share. Christopher Carmichael, the legal team representing President Bola Tinubu, has now entered the legal fray and is closely examining Greenspan's latest move. Greenspan's request for FBI document release comes with a backdrop of his well-documented criticism of Elon Musk, America's wealthiest individual. Greenspan's plain sight and personal social media accounts were suspended by the platform X, formerly Twitter, in June. Plain Sight had a modest following of 24,000, while Greenspan's personal account had around 2,005 followers. It is obvious that the world is really going crazy and the problem of injustice is everywhere, but more prevalent in Nigeria, where the rich doesn't want the poor to breathe. They want the poor to spend their little to finance the rich. It is that bad. The urgency in Greenspan's motion stems from Nigeria Supreme Court's recent decision to hear Atiku and Peter Obi's appeals on Monday, October 23. But wait, breaking news. The Supreme Court has reserved judgment in the appeal filed by the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, against the tribunal's judgment affirming President Bola Tinubu's election. So, how are we sure that this adjournment is not a ploy to avert justice for the common man? Because this case is for every Nigerian that believes in true democracy and a better Nigeria. Greenspan argued in the affidavit that the appellants have only 60 days to appeal the judgment by the Court of Appeal delivered on September 6. This time frame includes filing and hearing the case, with the Supreme Court constitutionally mandated to deliver a judgment on or before November 4, 2023. The motion suggests that the Supreme Court's sudden acceleration in timing could be an attempt to preempt the release of Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) documents by the FBI. These documents are anticipated to be directly pertinent to ongoing foreign proceedings in Nigeria. Notably, this case in Washington, D.C. represents the second attempt by Atiku's camp to find compelling reasons for President Tinubu's disqualification through legal means. Recently, Atiku had embarked on a fact-finding mission to Chicago State University, aiming to prove that the certificate Tinubu submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) was forged. However, the university's registrar, Caleb Westberg, confirmed that Tinubu attended the school and graduated with distinction. The university also produced certificates similar to the one presented by Tinubu to INEC. The outcome of this intricate legal battle and whether Atiku or his partner Peter Obi will ever have the opportunity to file the FBI's release document on President Tinubu remains uncertain. But the question is, how much confidence can we have in the Supreme Court even if they have the opportunity to file the FBI's release document on President Tinubu? How much confidence can we have in the Supreme Court Going by previous political and election cases brought before the judiciary, is money not the judge in Nigeria? Will Nigeria ever be free from injustice and corruption? Drop your comment. Remember to like, share and follow us. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching.